What is happening, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Yusuf Zad, and today we're going to be talking about money, trading, investing, and all about saving. So stay tuned. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking me about cryptocurrency, and man, it's a wild world. It's crazy. Like it goes up and down without any reasons. It's too many basically countries involved. There's so many news that can affect it. But one thing that I just recently find out is about one of the cryptocurrencies that it's not Bitcoin, that it's not Ethereum, and it's not a lot of the other basically very popular cryptocurrencies that it's out there. And this one is called Pi. Pi is one of the newest cryptocurrencies that has not been yet launched. And for me, it was very cool to find out about them because now you can earn them for basically for free. And it's kind of cool because now with everything that is happening with the stock market and everything that is happening around the world, and you're so bored, you want to basically, you don't know what to do, I think it's a great time to find something new that you like to do, especially something like cryptocurrency, especially if they pay you to actually basically download the app. So I'm not gonna go into much of a detail into the app for you, but I'm gonna leave the link on the bottom because this is only by invite only. So if you guys like to download the app, you have to use my code in order to get into the system. And the system, what it does is basically you can mine free pies, which is a new type of cryptocurrency, which is so cool. I'm gonna leave the link down there for you guys, and I can show it to you guys little by little. But basically what it does, Pi is an app that you can basically download the app, use my code to get into the app, and from there you can actually start mining for the Pi. Pi has over 3-4 million active users as of now that they're basically mining, and the number of people, as it actually goes up, the amount of the coin that you can basically mine, it reduces down and it goes down. I'm gonna post a couple of pictures for you guys so you can see how basically you can do it. But basically it gives you one icon that you can click on it and start mining for 24 hours. You have to realize, just because they're trying to make sure that there's no robots mining from the basically system, you have to go into the app manually and click the mining button every single hour. No, every single day in every 24 hours. So it's gonna give you basically the link. You can also then create your own link where you can invite your friends and start earning more basically. So the bigger your group is, the bigger you can mine and the bigger amount of coins you can have. And soon they're gonna be launching their coin. So the minute they start launching their coin, you want to have a lot of coin in there, so basically you can earn as much as more. Right now, as a valuation, I feel like every 100 pies it's gonna be worth about $10,000, but the evaluation is basically a wrong amount as of right now. There's not a particular exact amount, but that's how I think it's gonna be worth it, because it's a very popular, cryptocurrency coin that it's gonna be super popular all around the world that people gonna be using. And I truly believe that within a couple of months it's gonna take over even Bitcoin, just like many of the other basically coins that they weren't able to take over Bitcoin and they couldn't surpass Bitcoin. But I think this is one symbol that it can actually crash Bitcoin itself and be even more popular, just because of the number of people who are supporting it all around the world. So I'm gonna leave the link for you guys on the down below. You can click on it, download the app, and start mining today. You can build your own security team, so basically they can process the transaction based off you and your friends, so you can actually start earning more. Right now, basically my breakdown that I have for my mining, right now I'm earning 0.2 pies per hour, just because I'm a pioneer and I've been in the system for a little while. And then for 5 people that I have in my security ring, I also earn 0.2 pi per hour. And also, since I'm one of the ambassadors where I basically invite you guys to be part of this team, I'm also earning 0.1 pi per hour. So at total right now I'm earning 0.49, which is very small amount, you would say, but that's only for per hour. So every 24 hours you would compile more and more of the pies that you can get. Right now I have 1,789 pies, which is honestly not much, but if you think about it, if they would have told you that you have 1,700, 1,800 pies and it would have been Bitcoin back in the day, you might would have said, yeah, you know, it's not really that big of a deal. I don't know if I want to have it. I don't know if I want to go through the hassle. But now that it's worth a couple of $1,000s every Bitcoin, now you would have been like, man, I wish I would have done that. So this is a great time to get into Pi, as you can actually mine for free just by downloading the app. So it is really cool, honestly. And the more people you invite after joining the platform, the more you can earn. And the more active they are, then you can earn more pies every single day. And soon they're gonna be verifying each users with basically their driver license, with their password, with their correct name, so they can make sure no one is actually using it with a robot or with any other app. But this is a great opportunity for a lot of you guys who are looking for something new, looking for something that is not out there yet, and it's gonna blow up one day, and you're gonna be like, man, I'm so glad Yusuf told me to buy this thing, and now I'm gonna be a millionaire soon. So I think this is a great opportunity for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you downloaded it. Let me know if you had any problem with the app. Hope to see you guys soon for the next video, and ciao.